hey, let me show you how you can increase the quality of the sound on the SONY ULT Wear headphones. And there's actually a few methods that we can try. So the first one, we can change some settings in the application, in the Sony headphones application. So go into the sound, then go into the Bluetooth connection quality. So you should actually click on this icon. And I can highly recommend you to switch from the stable connection to the sound quality, because thanks to this one, it will actually allows us to pick the LDAC audio codec. So you should actually open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, click on the settings icon of your headphones, and now scroll and enable the HD audio LDAC codec. You should also remember that not every smartphone supports this codec, but when you enable this one, you'll definitely hear the difference, but also you can improve sound by changing the equalizer. So when you click here, you can find some presets, the custom second, and we can also find some default presets. And you should actually turn on some songs, the media that you are listening often, and simply pick this preset that fits your sound preferences the best. In my case, I just set this one, the manual, and it looks like this. So that actually fits my sound preferences the best, and you can actually try to set it up the same like in my case, and you can tell me actually what you think about this one. So I really like the big bass boost, and this preset actually gives me this experience like really much. So yeah, there's also last option. If you are using some streaming services, like for example if you are listening to Spotify or YouTube Music, just be sure that you turn off the equalizer in this streaming services, because sometimes it's actually enabled and it actually make our music sound like crap. Yeah, definitely, especially in the YouTube Music. So it's actually located just right here. Take a look. I'm gonna show you actually how it looks in the YouTube Music. So there we go. We should actually click on the right upper corner, then tap on the settings. And now when you go to the playback, there's the equalizer. So I can highly recommend you to turn it off, because when for some reason it's turned on, it will actually completely like break your sound experience on the Sony headphones or any other headphones. It's actually terrible. This equalizer is terrible. I'm not sure if there's like some issue with my phone, but on my smartphone this equalizer, I'm just not using it because it's like trash, completely trash. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.